Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today we have our Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of November 2020. Oh, I can't believe it's already November. That is crazy, like end of November. It's almost December now. I just got this and I can't wait to do it, look at it, play with it. This is what it looks like. This is Boxycharm Premium, as you can see. It comes with bubble wrap. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, I do believe. You get like 6 or 7 full-size items, and then they have Boxycharm, the base box, which I think is $25, and you get like 5 items. And then they have Luxe, which comes quarterly, and I'm not sure how much that is. I just don't know. This is, okay, so our theme is Harvest, as it says down there. I got variation number 2, if it'll focus in down there for you. If not, oh well. On the back, it just has a list of everything that we got, and we're gonna hop into it. The first thing I'm pulling out comes in a box. Okay, this is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream. It says, this advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides and chinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. This retails for $125. Okay. For that price, this better do amazing things. That is tiny. Okay, look at this compared to the box. Like, did they really have to put it in such a giant box? That's kind of deceiving. Grown Alchemist, it just comes in like this squeezy tube. I'm not going to punch it open yet. I do have other night creams that I'm trying to use. I don't know, I might put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, so I'm not gonna punch that open. The next thing I see is from Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. Ooh, okay, I like the box on it. I got mine in the color medium tan, it says down there. This says it is a 4-in-1 palette, features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, brush, and translucent setting powder, arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Accentuate your best features and bring out the best in you with this exclusive collection. This retails for $32. Okay, I like face palettes. I like getting new blushers and bronzers, blushes and bronzers and stuff. Ooh, okay, I actually really like how the palette looks. It looks really sleek. It's a nice white. It feels hefty. And then it says medium tan here in like this holographic silvery. I don't think it's gonna pick it up on the camera. Kind of like a mirrored effect to it. It's really pretty. It comes with a nice size mirror. We're gonna remove the plastic. These are the shades. This blush looks absolutely stunning. I love coral blushes. This bronzer, I might be a little dark, I don't know. And this as a translucent setting powder might be a little dark too. And I know that highlight is definitely going to be too dark. I'm gonna just dig right in. Okay. We've got swatches of them all there. So we got the translucent powder, the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. That's the powder. Ooh, that blush is creamy. Those are the colors there. That highlighter is definitely going to be too dark to use as a highlighter, but I could definitely use it as like a blush topper. That blush looks beautiful. Even this powder has like matched in to the skin color of my hand pretty well. I might be able to get away, maybe not as like a setting powder, maybe like a buffing powder. I might be able to use that for. And I think I can definitely use that blush and bronzer. Anyways, those are those. The palette's really pretty. I like the embossments that's on it. All right, so I'm definitely happy to have that. I will be playing with this. I'll let you guys know. Actually, if there's anything you guys want to see an actual full-on video on, always please let me know in the comments below and I will do what I can to make that happen. All right, the next thing I see is a brush set. This is from Cosmetics Skincare Brush Set. You get 2 brushes. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serums, or masks with ultimate precision and no mess. These retail for $25. Okay, so I don't have any skincare brushes, so that's really neat. They feel really nice in the hand. The bristles on this one, you can see there's like kind of raised things in the bristles there. There's like bumps, and they're super soft, but they're really dense. Like, I wonder if I could almost use this with foundation. It's a nice, dense, soft brush. Because I don't know if I would use this for skincare. I don't know. I like using my hands for skincare. And then this silicone one, it is just flat on this one side, and then you turn it over and there's like these little bumpies on the other side. I would use this for masks, like digging out of the containers and applying it, because I do waste a lot using my fingers with like clay masks. So this I'll use for that. I'll play with this one. I do want to test this one out with foundation. I don't know why. For some reason, I think it would work really well for foundation. Next up, we have a lip liner duo from Real Her. This is what the box looks like. It says, line your lips with ease. This creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and our true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. This retails for $25. Oh, I hope they're not like the kind you have to sharpen. Okay, this is what they look like here. It's got the kind of color things on the back. Let's watch this nude one first. Ooh, that is really creamy. And it's not the kind that you have to sharpen, so that is super cool. There's the color right there. That is a beautiful, deeper nude color. I love shades like that. I will be using that. Let's look at this dark one. With the Christmas holiday season being around, wow. There is the red one. I will be using this in some Christmas looks for sure. These are super creamy. Yay, I needed new lip liners, and those feel like they will be awesome. All right, guys, we're getting down there. We got 2 more things. We got something from Dose of Color here. I do have some eyeshadow palettes from them, and they are absolutely amazing. What is this? Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with a multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact. Okay, we got the shade Jackpot. It says right there. This is what it looks like on the outside. It is holographic, cool packaging. Comes with actually a nice size mirror for it being a compact. And this is the shadow. It looks like a green and gold. Oh, that is really, really pretty. It's like a deep olivey green and it's got like a gold reflect in it. Let me swatch this. Oh my goodness. The gold reflect sparkle that is in there is absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom you into that. Do you see the sparkle in that? I cannot wait to do a look with that. All right guys, we're down to the very last item here. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. This was a choice item, so I got to choose between this or some eyeshadow palette, and to be honest, the colors that were in that palette really didn't jump to me. And I always like trying new setting powders, and I have not tried this one yet. Let's see what this says here. A weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattify shine, and blur skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess. This retails for $39. And I got shade 01, it says. Let me look at this. I like powders. Oh, hey, this is really cool. It looks like a camera lens. Like if I hold it up beside my camera here, I'm looking at my little lens. Let me show you this. So it says Smashbox, and then it has like all your numbers and stuff down here that you have going around your camera lens, like your zoom, your 18 to 135 millimeter, 67 millimeter, makeup created Smashbox Photo Studios LA. That is really, really cute. I really like the packaging on this. Even going around the edge, it's got like the grindy things, just like you turn your camera lens. That is so cool. This is what get fresh powder with every twist. There's a sticker on the mirror. There's a blue sticker on here. Let me pull this off. It looks like this, and then it says going around twist for powder. Okay, let's catch this on camera here. Oh, ew, ew, I'm dropping the powder. So I just twisted it and then it totally cut me some powder. That is really cool. It kind of has a soapy smell to it, the powder. Oh, it feels pretty finely milled. I just rubbed it into my hand there, not like you're gonna be able to notice anything. Okay, I'm super, super excited for that. Actually, all in all, I'm quite happy. I think I'm gonna enjoy everything that I got in this box. Let me tally it up to see how much it was worth here. So our total of the whole box retail, if you were to go buy these products singly, came to $266. I know, right? I paid 35 bucks for the box. I mean, how can you go wrong? If you are looking to get into trying new makeup and stuff, and you don't get Boxycharm, definitely go check it out. It is amazing. It is my favorite time of the month. I love getting these boxes. Yeah, I think that's everything for today. I will be doing a get ready with me here very soon. I'll be using all these products that I got in this box. Plus I have a few extra little goodies, some different foundations and other powders and things like that. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell so you can be notified when I start testing out all these products. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.